when my daughter was born, my elder daughter, I have two daughters. So when she was born, I got a call from Jagdish, saying, that to come and meet him, kind of. Whatever the age of my daughter is now is the time I have spent in CTS Tech. So I always relate whenever I complete 1 year, right? Every year, my daughter reminds me of this incident. When I started in CTS Tech, I was the first admin guy, and then of course, then Savita joined, and right now there are 20 of them, who are kind of indirectly or directly reporting to me. So first of all was the culture, the good culture, the bonding that we had in CTS Tech, and the rapid growth of CTS Tech, right? So the very fact that that I was responsible for every brick and every glass that was installed, for every facility, during his expansion, that kept me going, One memorable, incident that still baffles me, we had to actually, during the Teritex expansion project, we had to shift the entire server room as well as the EPBX telephone system, move to a new location and go live with it within 48 hours. So that achievement, still baffles me, because I was the only admin guy and only one IT guy was there with me that time, and we both, along with the vendors, did that. The transition started on a Friday evening, and we were working continuously for 48 hours, and on Monday morning we had gone live. So that was one of the best achievements that I still remember. I remember in one of the Viva City, I had the experience of dancing on the stage for the first time. So that is something, that still, I kind of enjoy the memory. So when I joined CTS Tech, so I was the first admin person. So and we have grown as a family. So today we are 20 of us. So that is something that has kept me going. And also the rapid growth of CTS Tech, from a small small facility, to so many facilities now, in New Mumbai, in Bangalore, in Princeton, in Rochester. So all these factors, right, kept me going. I just felt that I was a part of this growth. So along with the company, even I have grown. So that is what has kept me going.